So you may have heard of it, a new AI tool just hit the market, and it's gonna disturb everything we do right now. It's called Manus. It also comes from China like DeepSeek. And why is it so disruptive? And how do you get access to it? And what can it do? All of it we're gonna explore today. So hello, my name is Christian Jacko, and I'm the founder of Contact Solutions, an agency where we help our clients create systems to convert more leads automatically using AI. In today's video, we'll be diving into Manus, a new AI tool that comes from China that allows you to definitely do things way easier than before. What kind of things am I talking about? And what can it do? They call it an AI general agent. Manus, for example, as ChatGPT, is a chatbot, but also has access to its own computer, which can create files, which can browse the internet, which can create checklists of tasks to do, even can go on, for example, Twitter and make a post, can create YouTube videos, can do lots and lots of different things, and we're gonna dive into all of it today. Okay, so here we've got the Manus website. It's called manus.im. You can check it out in your free time after this video. So when you, of course, stumble upon it, here we have the actual trailer of the announcement that was released a week ago. I will link up to the link to the video right here so you can check it out. In the meantime, how does it actually work and how does it perform against, for example, ChatGPT and different LLMs? Here you can see the benchmark results, and you can see that Manus is very much a powerful tool here. It's on par with deep research from OpenAI, so a feature from ChatGPT, and of course it can do way more than that. As I said, it is a AI general agent, which allows you to create documents, which allows you to even create websites, video games, create posts fully automatically, because it has access to, they call it a multi-agent setup. What that means is, in the cloud, you have a bunch of servers which serve as different agents, and those agents specialize in, for example, one in web searching, second in let's say task prioritization, third at creating a Word document. And using that multi-agent setup, it allows it to switch between different tasks very easily and very precisely. That's how it works. Now, let's dive into what you can actually do with it, because that's the really fun part, and that's going to open very much your eyes. So let's dive into research, for example. We've got, for example, you can ask it to give you a B2B supplier sourcing list. So it creates just a lead list, pretty much. Here, again, right over here, list of YC companies. Manus expertly navigated the YCW25 database to identify all qualifying B2B companies, meticulously compiling this valuable information into the structure. Let's dive into deeper what it is, right? Here you can see it actually in action. So here on the right, this is the different agents and what it's doing in the background. So for example, here we've got the list of tasks, and it's going back and forth between the other agent, which is the browser. Here, of course, you've got all the different logs of what it's doing, and I don't have the access to it right now because it's in closed beta, but when you are actually running it, you can even type another prompt while it's doing something to change what it's doing. And here you've got the full file that actually has all of the data with, of course, the name of the company, position, the description, and what they do. So as you can see, very, very interesting stuff. Let's go for life. It can, for example, plan a trip to Japan in April, also going through different travel information, travel agencies to actually find what's the best choice. Instead of, for example, ChatGPT going through its knowledge base, which is not updated 24/7. It can also very much analyze, for example, Tesla stocks to create very predictable and very good predictions of the market. You can even buy real estate in New York. Let's dive into this, how it actually does this. So here you can see it searches up on Google different properties in New York, gathers all the data. Now it's looking at neighborhoods, right? So what neighborhoods with good schools and low crime rates. And goes on different websites, checks different properties, and the prices, of course. You can even see that it actually goes on the website manually, right? And for example, here it's encountering CAPTCHA verification. So it really is, I would say, an employee that does it for you completely automatically, right? And even like has as you could saw right there before, a list of tasks that it prioritizes before and then actually executes it. And here we've got safe neighborhoods in New York City, and here we've got basically a list, top schools, and the different neighborhoods, and neighborhoods with both low crime rates and good schools to actually find a property to buy in New York. Let's go for data analysis. So, online store operation analysis, promotion of store sales, improvement strategies, even participate in the Calco machine learning competition. It can do way different tasks, right? Let's go a bit down here. Here are basically testimonials of what it can do also. This is what I find really interesting. Manus Spaces Gallery. Discover and explore incredible spaces created with Manus. So this is of course all created with Manus, the actual AI. So this is a Super Mario Minecraft style game created just purely with a prompt. So let's visit this space and see what it's actually about. So here you can see I can this is me. I can move here. I can jump. Okay. There you go. Okay, so the controls are actually not bad. Okay, that also works. See, this has been created with one prompt, which just goes to show how powerful Manus is. So if you can do this with one prompt, and this is the first version of it, imagine what I can do in the future. Okay, it says here that I've got 3 lives. So let me, for example, okay, I finished the level, I think. Okay, so this is when the game stops. However, of course, this has been created with just one prompt. Imagine what it can do with a couple prompts. Imagine what it can do in 2 years from now. So this is of course all the info you've got about Manus, and why I'm not directly showing you how to actually use it is because it is in closed beta right now. To sign up to be able to use the closed beta, you have to go on the website, click get started here, and apply for access over here. Give your then here I've already put my email and why I would it would be very interesting for me to try to close beta. You have to input these 2 things and then wait for an email response from Manus with a activation code, invitation code to actually use it. It will be probably coming like fully public in the next month. So here is just a preview of what it can do. In a month, it will be fully open to everybody and definitely very interesting. Also, one very important detail that they mentioned in the trailer is that it had used lots of open source code, and they will be releasing some of it to the open source community. So, as following the same trend as DeepSeek does, a free ChatGPT alternative which is open source with Manus, we'll also have that capability of, I think, self-hosting a couple agents. So, for example, a website creating agent on your own servers. Alright, that'll be about it, about Manus. I've covered here everything you need to know, everything that it can do, with specific examples, of course, of its capabilities. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to leave a like, subscribe, and comment what you think this Manus tool will be able to do in a month, when it will be fully public, and what you hope to do with it. I definitely have my plans, and we'll be definitely updating you guys on this channel with what's possible to do with Manus. Of course, that'll be about it. I will see each other in the next video.